Hey everyone, welcome back to Corporate Decoder, the place where we decode the corporate world. Today, we're diving into a company where someone is leaving the board. It's not about scandals or anything like that. It seems peaceful enough, or is it? Let's find out. We're looking at a report from Franklin Street Properties Corp., and the earliest event reported happened in February of 2025. So, this is recent news we are talking about. This report is called a Form 8K, which is basically a current report companies have to file when big things happen that investors should know about. It's like their way of staying transparent, letting everyone in on important changes as they occur. So Franklin Street Properties Corp., that's the company we're looking at today. It's a real estate investment trust, or REIT. Basically, they own and manage office buildings. Think of them as landlords, but on a much bigger corporate scale. Their stock is traded on the NYSE American Exchange under the ticker symbol FSP. So, if you're interested in investing in office properties, this is one way to do it through the stock market. Now let's get to the real meat of this report. Item 5.02 is all about changes in the company's leadership, specifically the departure of a director. It turns out that Mr. Kenneth A. Hoxie, a member of their board of directors, decided not to run for re-election. That means he's stepping down, but it's happening at the next annual meeting of stockholders. The annual meeting is in May. He will stay on the board until then, so it is not something that happened out of the blue. The company states the decision was entirely voluntary and not because of any disagreement with the company. So it doesn't seem like there's any drama behind this departure. It sounds like he simply chose not to seek another term. That's the long and short of the report. Let's try to make sense of it now. Franklin Street Properties is losing a board member. Mr. Hoxie will not be seeking re-election at the next meeting, but all is well it seems. From what we see here in this report, the departure seems amicable. The company clearly states it wasn't due to any disagreement, so it doesn't appear to be a sign of deeper issues within the company. It could be due to a myriad of personal reasons on the part of Mr. Hoxie. However, even though the company makes a point about there being no disagreement, losing a board member can create instability, even if only temporarily. The company will have to find a suitable replacement, and that can take time and effort. New blood might be good for the company, but the old blood knows how things work around there and might have insight and wisdom that you only gain with time. As for the company itself, Franklin Street Properties is operating in a challenging environment. Office properties have been struggling, with remote work becoming more common. This creates uncertainty for the company and investors alike. It also means their financial health is closely tied to the overall economy and how well they can adapt to the changing needs of tenants. So what do we make of it all? Franklin Street Properties appears to be facing some headwinds. The company will need to demonstrate its ability to adapt to these challenges and maintain its financial stability. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more deep dives into the corporate world.